Hello, hello. Welcome back to our JavaScript series. So today, whatever I am going to discuss as a concept, there is nothing but your favorite topic. There is a hosting. Why is it hosting is required in JavaScript? I will just show you, so don't worry about this. So here you can see this. There is a one folder is created. There is a JavaScript concept, and inside this folder there is a one file is created, the hosting.js. Okay, so I'm going to here just write some code. Why is that? Because I'm just trying to explain some concept. So first and foremost, I will just create a variable. The let a is equal to 10 here, and inside this I'm just print it. So why is this concept? I will just where is that? Yeah, node hosting.js is our file name. Okay, so here you can see that there is a 10 gets printed, but if I am going to here, I will just write it console dot log. Is it printed or not? Is it printed or not? I will just show you. So let's suppose that in my screen, and here I will just print it. So here you can see that there is a reference error, right? Why is that reference error? In this case, we have to trying to explain, and we have to understand this like this. Suppose that what does mean? What does mean of this line? I will just show you. Suppose that JavaScript are see where is the our declaration. So declaration is here, right? So in this line, our declaration going to a top. Suppose that first of all you know this, right? Like this, if I am going to write this, so this is our declaration, right? Declaration, and there is a one initialization, right? But here is our one concept. When we are trying to host, suppose that there is a one first of all I'm going to show you. There is a one keyword here. There is nothing but a var keyword, right? Because whenever you are trying to create a variable, there are actually two keyword. One is called a let, another is called as a var, like this. So first of all, I'm going to show you. There's a var keyword is also here. You can see that there is a if I am going to write here, there's a let keyword. There is a one reference error. When we are add a var keyword, is it error or not? We have to trying to show like this. First of all, I am here. Yeah. So we have to remove this hour. Okay, console.log and define. Um, First of all, I will just clear my screen. Oh, sorry, my English is fake. Okay, where is that? Yeah, node hosting.js. Here you can see that there is a undefined. Why is that? Because JavaScript gives us value undefined. Okay, but if in this case var keyword, there is nothing here, right? Because I'm just trying to explain you. Okay, so um, that's why hosting comes in the picture. So what is the hosting? I'm going to explain you. Suppose that what will I do here is a var keyword, right? So here it will take all the declaration. Here you can see that there is a declaration. There is one declaration here. So where a I'm going to here, because what is the hosting, why is it required, and what is the process, what is the work. So the process of identify declaration within a code and mainly it to a top is what is called hosting. So in here I am my declaration going to move it on the top. This is how the code look likes, like this. And here, yeah, now it's perfect. That's why JavaScript automatically run inside our system. Okay, so if I am going to write here, so then here you consider JavaScript gives a one value. There is nothing but a undefined. But when we use a let keyword, there is nothing JavaScript gives a value, because because uh, because there is to be honest, there is a one difference here, because that will not happen in this case of let. The fundamental difference between a keyword and let keyword here, because here you can see that if I'm going to show you like this node hosting.js, why is that added? Wait, okay, save it. First of all, I'm going to clear my screen and just change our value. Here is something like 20. Yeah. Then I will just clear my screen. Now we can see that there is one undefined keywords here in 20, because there is a one let keyword. Okay, that type of things are happen in our hosting, because where and keywords, there is a one difference, because when we use a where, when hosted, it is automatically initialized within undefined. Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, so if I'm going to remove this, is it work or not? Okay, sorry for that. Why is it working? Because we are slice let a in our system. So is this happening on the uh, computer? That's right. Because when we are add on our system, on a computer code editor, here you can see that, then it's not happening here like this. If I am going to show you like this, and there is some error, right? That of this happening of this reference error. That's why hosting is the most and most important concept. One more time, I will just telling you, hosting is the nothing but the process of identifying declaration within a code and move it in a top is what is called a hosting, right? All of things happening in a inside your computer. But when we are creating a variable, then it's working, right? Suppose that here you can see that, yeah. Is it working or not? Is it working? I hope you have to understand all of those things. Thank you.